it's Jessie Lee. Welcome to my show. I'm super excited to talk to you about color personalities, and today we're going to talk about red, which I love to talk about because yee, this is me. And I think everybody likes to talk about themselves a little bit. So the basic general disposition of a red is that they are fast-paced, they are task-oriented, they are the aggressors, they are competitive, they get things done, they don't mess around, they get more done in a short period of time than any other color personality ever will. They are very right to the point, they are very motivated, they are good at time management because they have to get things done. They are the drivers of businesses. In pressure, in intense situations, they thrive because they have to win. It's just built into them. They couldn't tell you why. They make quick decisions. They don't sit on an idea and think about it. And they are very competitive when it comes to wanting freedom, authority, power, decision making, any of those things. And quite frankly, a red has to win in the sense of if they're looking at a job or a position, they are looking for an opportunity to advance. And so somebody who is stuck in a job is probably not going to be the happiest red, but I will tell you, entrepreneurship is built for reds. The people who are at the top of anything are reds. I'm just letting you know. So I'll just tell you some natural strengths and some natural weaknesses, and I'll let y'all out of here because I am on a time crunch with this red thing, y'all. I'm kidding. But reds are very impulsive, they are very decisive, they are very goal-oriented, they are very achievement-driven, they are very goal and getting results, whatever. They are independent, they don't need somebody to tell them what to do, they don't need you to sit on their shoulder and watch them, they're just gonna get it done. They are risk takers, they take charge, they command a room, they are self-starters, they are persistent, they are efficient, they are driven, they are competitive, and they go, go, go. So what can I say? I'm kidding, all my other colors. I love all of you the same. But really, these are your leaders. These are your bull-nosed leaders. And with that said, with great power comes great responsibility. So there are negatives to being red, and of course I'll share them with you because we have to be equal opportunity here, although I don't want to tell you what my negative character traits are. And I will tell you, you can work on them, right? So negative character traits, for sure impatient, for sure blunt, right? You ever had your feelings hurt by a red? They didn't mean to hurt your feelings, but like, oops, and then they don't really apologize very well. Oh, okay? They tend to be poor listeners. They can be very demanding, one-sided conversations a lot of the time. They sometimes view work and projects more important than people, which is a negative. They can be insensitive to feelings of others, for sure. Quickly bored by routine, and they fear relaxation, which is not healthy. The last thing that's definitely a natural weakness of reds is they tend to run over people that maybe think a little slower, react a little slower, are a little less quick to get things done. And so that cannot be a positive thing. So that impatience can kill a red, but what can I say? What can I say? What can I say? So reds are your drivers. That is all you're looking for when it comes to a red color personality. And I will tell you, if you're an entrepreneur, get some red in you. Of course, you can develop it. But that's the red color personality. And if you got some kind of value from this, all you need to do is check out some other colors so you can learn how to talk to their personalities. And that is by checking out these videos right over here. And also make sure to subscribe. Love you guys.